So Mr. Sarthak, a rectangular paper of width 14 centimeter is rolled along its width and cylinder of radius 20 centimeter is formed. Find the volume of the cylinder. Mr. Sarthak, how can we do this question?
So the width will be the height of the cylinder.
Okay.
And then because the radius is 20, so we'll find the find the
So Mr. Sarthak, rectangular paper. So this is the paper that you have. Now this paper has a width of 14 centimeter. It is rolled along its width. It's rolled along its width and a cylinder of radius 20 centimeter is formed. So what you do is you turn this page like this. You join this edge and this edge, and then you roll it. You roll it and you form a cylinder like this. Mr. Satya, any doubt till here?
No doubt.
Okay.
No.
The cylinder which is formed has a radius 20 centimeter. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
yes.
Let us see this on a separate paper. So you have this paper. Now the width of the paper is 14 centimeter. Now you roll it like this so that this A, B, C, D, if this is a paper, you roll it like this that approximately this is how the figure looks like. Satya, have you understood how it looks like?
Yes, sir.
So this would be AB and this would be CD. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
This cylinder, the cylinder which is formed has a radius which is 20 centimeter. And you need to find the volume of cylinder. Satya, how can we do this question?
So the formula for volume is pi r square into height. So
Yeah.
it would be 22 upon 7
Okay.
into 20 raised to power 2
Okay.
into 14.
Because this width would become the height of the cylinder. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Then you calculate. So 7 to the 14. So you need to calculate 22, 20 square, 20. So whatever is the answer. Now all the dimensions they are in centimeter. So the final answer should be 17,600 centimeter cube. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
See, there is a similar question. We'll do another question which is similar to this. These are solved examples, but I want you to understand how the logic flows. So this is what the question looks like. So this was 14 centimeter. So the height was 14 centimeter. The radius is 20 centimeter. And then you applied pi r square h and then you found the answer to be 17,600 centimeter cube. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No doubt.
Now there's a similar question that we'll discuss so that we understand how these papers, when the paper is rolled, how do they become cylinders and what are the dimensions, what are the changes in dimensions, etc. Now if you look at this example 11, rectangular paper of of dimensions 11 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Of course, this would be 4 centimeter and this would be 11 centimeter. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Is folded without overlapping to make a cylinder of height 4 centimeter. So again, it will be rolled like this. Let me roll it like this. Is it making sense? Of course, when you join the two ends together, A, B, C, D, when you join the two ends together, this is how the cylinder will look like. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So, Mr. Satya, in this question, we need to find the volume of the cylinder. How can we find the volume of the cylinder, Mr. Satya?
Yes, sir. Again, pi r square into.
But Mr. Satya, we are aware of this 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. We are not aware of the radius of the cylinder. How do we find the radius of the cylinder? We are only aware of this length.
Yeah, so this is the diameter, so we have to divide 11 and 11 by 2, so we can get the radius.
Sir, this is not the diameter.
I don't understand.
Let us look at this again, sir. A, B, C, D. Satya, can you take a page?
Yes,
And then can you please roll it? Can you try to see how it looks like?
yes, sir.
One second. So, Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
What have you understood?
So that the 11 centimeter was the circumference.
The 11 centimeter will become the circumference of the cylinder. Basically, and that is what I am trying to tell you in this question and the last question, that this and this, basically these two become this and this. Sarthak, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So now in this question, what are the dimensions that we have? We have the height of the cylinder. So this is 4 centimeter. We are aware that this circumference, this circumference, the circumference is equal to 11 centimeter. Yeah, and we need to find the volume of the cylinder. Mr. Satya, how should we find the volume?
So uh, pi r square into h. But so we don't have r.
We don't have R. So how do we find R? Mr. Sarthak,
Yes, sir.
how do we find R?
Sir, 2 pi r equal to 11.
2 pi R is equal to 11. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Oh, yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, what have you understood?
So that find the radius, we have to like we have to have 2 pi r's.
Why 2 pi R? Sir, when you look at this cylinder from above, look from above, look from above. Mr. Satya, do you agree that this edge would look like this circle? Mr. Satya, do you
Yes,
agree
sir.
with this?
Yes.
Now, you are well aware that the circumference of this circle How much is this, Satya?
11 centimeter.
11 centimeter. We are aware that this is 11 centimeter. Therefore, 2 pi r is equal to 11. Satya, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 11. Satya, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, r would be equal to 11 into 7, 2 into 22. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt till here?
No, sir.
And then we can calculate the value. 11 and 2 will cancel, so the value of this would be 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4 centimeter. Then we can put this 7 upon 4 here. 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 4 into 7 upon 4 into 4.
Yes,
This
sir.
is r square, this is pi, and this is h. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, I didn't understand the calculation part.
Okay, you didn't understand the calculation part. Okay, let me do that again. Okay. Did you understand how did I calculate the radius?
No, sir, this one only. The R is equal to, I didn't understand that one.
No. Okay. I'll do all of this again. One second. Okay. So 2 pi r is equal to 11. Are we okay till here, Satya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 11. Are we okay till here?
Yes, sir.
So you can write this as 44 by 7 into r is equal to 11. Satya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, r is equal to 11 into 7 upon 44. Am I okay?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, r is equal to 7 by 4. Any doubt here?
No doubt, sir.
11 4 the 44. Therefore, r is equal to 7 by 4 centimeter. Satya, any doubt there?
No doubt, sir.
So this r, this r, this r is 7 by 4 centimeter. Any doubt there?
No, sir.
Now for the cylinder, you have the radius, you have the height. So what would be the volume of the cylinder? Satya? Mr. Satya? What is the volume of a cylinder? Satya? Mr. Sarthak?
Yes.
What is the volume of a cylinder?
Pi r.
Pi R square.
Pi r square h. What is the value of Satya? What is the value of pi, Satya?
22 upon 7.
What is the value of radius?
7 upon 4.
It is r square, so it will be 7 by 4 into 7 by 4. Satya, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
What is the value of h?
4.
4. Any doubt here, Satya?
No doubt, sir.
See, Satya, that is why I am asking you to do the questions again. Because these questions are tough. And if you do not practice, you will not understand mensuration, surface area, volume. Because this is a tough chapter to understand. And if you don't practice it, you will never understand it. So the answer would be 77 upon 2 centimeter square or centimeter cube, Mr. Satya.
Sir, square. Oh,
Mr.
no, sir.
Sarthak.
No, sir. Cube, sir. Wall.
Mr. Sarthak.
Yes.
Centimeter square or centimeter cube?
Sir, cube.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, Mr. Sarthak, you need to understand for perimeter, surface area, volume. So if the dimensions are being measured in centimeter, the perimeter would always be in, Mr. Sarthak,
So only if it's only the unit.
what unit? If the dimensions are in centimeter, all
The
dimensions are,
raised power 1.
I'm sorry?
The raised power 1.
Yeah, centimeter. What would be the area, Sarthak?
Raised power
Satya? Mr. Satya?
Raised to power 3.
अरे सरफेस एरिया पूछ रहा
No,
हूँ भाई,
sir.
सरफेस एरिया,
Sir, raised to power
रेज टू पावर.
2.
आप माइक जल्दी बंद कर देते हैं दोनों, आप समझ नहीं रहे हैं. जो लास्ट आपके सेंटेंस में जो लास्ट वर्ड है वो समझ नहीं आता है. अगर आपको कभी डाउट हो तो अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग देख लीजिए. लास्ट वर्ड इन योर सेंटेंस इज नेवर ऑडिबल. मिस्टर सत्या, वॉल्यूम.
So centimeter, sorry, raised to power
रेज टू पावर
3.
क्लियरली बोलिए, वही मैं बोल रहा हूं. रिकॉर्डिंग में सुनिए, आपका समझ नहीं आता. लास्ट वर्ड स्क्वायर या क्यूब समझ ही नहीं आता. ओके अभी मिस्टर सत्या ये बताइए, इफ द डायमेंशंस आर इन मीटर, द पेरीमीटर वुड बी इन,
So meter.
एरिया वुड बी इन
Meter square.
मीटर स्क्वायर. वॉल्यूम वुड बी इन
Meter cube.
मीटर क्यूब. मिस्टर सार्थक, एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
नो सर. तो सत्या, अगर आप ये पेरीमीटर या सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल निकाल रहे हैं, ऑफ सर्कल निकाल रहे हैं, ये सर्कल का आपने सर्कमफ्रेंस निकाला. सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल इज, सत्या,
Meter.
अगर रेडियस,
Okay.
हाँ हाँ नहीं ठीक है, आप बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर रेडियस मीटर में है तो सर्कमफ्रेंस जो है वो मीटर में होगा. अगर रेडियस सेंटीमीटर में है तो पेरीमीटर किस में होगा?
So centimeter.
शाबाश. अगर आप एरिया निकाल रहे हैं तो अगर सेंटीमीटर में है तो एरिया किस में होगा?
Centimeter square.
शाबाश. सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. शाबाश. और अगर आप मीटर में रेडियस है तो एरिया किस में होगा?
Meter square.
शाबाश. See, Mr. Satya, it will become very critical for us, especially in physics. आप मेरे साथ जब फिजिक्स करने वाले हैं तो आप यूनिट्स में कोई कंफ्यूजन आपको नहीं होनी चाहिए. आप समझ रहे हैं सत्य?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि फिजिक्स में आपके नंबर कटेंगे, न्यूमेरिकल्स में नंबर कटेंगे whenever you miss on the units. So you have the cylinder, ये जो सिलेंडर है ये मीटर में है, जो हाइट है वो मीटर में है. वॉल्यूम किस में होगा सत्या?
So meter cube.
शाबाश. अगर सेंटीमीटर में है तो
Centimeter cube.
शाबाश. गलती मत कीजिए भाई. क्यूब ले लीजिए, क्यूब ले लीजिए. सारी डायमेंशन मीटर में तो सरफेस एरिया किस में होगा सत्या?
So meter square.
वॉल्यूम किस में होगा?
Meter cube.
क्यूबॉइड ले लीजिए, क्यूबॉइड ले लीजिए, ऐसा क्यूबॉइड ले लीजिए. सारी डायमेंशन सेंटीमीटर में तो सरफेस एरिया किस में होगा सत्या?
So centimeter square.
वॉल्यूम किस में होगा?
Centimeter cube.
अब ये एक डायमेंशन सेंटीमीटर में, एक डायमेंशन मीटर में, और दूसरी एक दो जो हाइट है वो किलोमीटर में. तो आप क्या करेंगे सत्या?
सर दोनों किलोमीटर और मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट.
शाबाश. शाबाश. आपको इसको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, किलोमीटर को सेंटीमीटर में करना पड़ेगा, मीटर को भी सेंटीमीटर में करना पड़ेगा. तो जो वॉल्यूम आएगा फाइनली वो किस में आएगा सत्या?
और सर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब.
सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. मिस्टर सार्थक, एनी डाउट?
No.
प्लीज़ ये सारी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखिए और याद रखिए आप जो भी आंसर देते हैं उसका लास्ट वर्ड अनऑडिबल होता है, इनऑडिबल होता है, क्योंकि आप उसको माइक को बंद कर देते हैं। मिस्टर सत्या समझ आया?
यस सर।
आप जब रिकॉर्डिंग देखेंगे तो आपको समझ आ जाएगा। वो मीटर तो समझ आ जाता है, बट जो स्क्वायर और क्यूब है वो नहीं समझ आता। पता नहीं क्या बोल दिया आपने, क्लियरली बोलिए। कोई डाउट? सत्या कोई डाउट?
नो डाउट सर।
गुड।